Hi, Judd here. I'm going to take a look at the car right now as far as that repair goes. Good news and bad news. Good news, I found a very good video on YouTube, which I will link below, that shows exactly how to do what I have to do to this car. The bad news is I'm not a car guy, and I just really don't want to do this. But it's got to be done. So I'm taking it easy. What I'm going to do, I've got the new parts. Oh, isn't that interesting? That's broken. What a piece of shit. I've got the new parts. I've got the instructional video on how to do it. And the problem is the access of it is very difficult. And in the video, the guy took the fourth nut bolt out last, having discovered it, that he had to, only well into the video. I'm going to start by seeing if I can get at that fourth bolt and just see what that's going to take. I might have to go buy extra fittings for my wrenches, or even possibly a new wrench. So I'm just going to check this out right now. I'm not doing the repair right now. Maybe I will. Maybe if everything goes good I will, but I'm not intending that right now. This is just taking a look at it. Okay, so first is to find it. As this thing here, this pipe, there's two pipes here that are the water bypass pipes. There's one bolt right here. It's the only bolt that's easy to get at, but there's another bolt around the corner, but it's like under and through, and I'm not even sure where it is. So I'm going to see if I can find that. Oh, there it is. I think that's it. Yeah, oh baby, okay. So back in there, see if I can get a finger on it. Ah, there we go. Okay, so that's it in there. There it is, way down in there. There it is. Okay, see it down in there? Okay, so I'll give you some idea where that is. Okay, there's the other one. That's the easy one. And down here, okay, we drop down, and there's the water bypass pipe and the two nuts. You got to get it there, and right beside it is the oil filter, which is in the way. Not so much, but it is a little bit. Let's see if I have anything that'll get to that. Again, can't reach it. Nope, 14's too big. 12. Okay, 12. Look at that. I might. Maybe. Oh, look at this. Ah, I'm on. Oh, I got one click. Ah, shoot. Come on, give me another click. Oh, the handle wants to hit this. Oh, and that's tight. Okay, so I'm going to get some, what do we need? The stuff that unfreezes nuts. I don't know if that really needs it. I'm going to get it. Well, I can't find the stuff I wanted. I don't know where it is. So I'm going to hit WD-40. I'll hit this one first. I'll hit those other two too. It's way down in here. I already wire brushed off these two nuts, and they're looking a lot better than they were. that set a little bit. How the hell am I going to get that? Now I'm stuck between this thing and this thing. I sure as heck don't want to take off anything if I don't need to. Maybe I can get it some other way. No movement in there either. Oh, come on. Okay, I got good placement there, but I don't get the leverage on the handle to get my pipe. Of course, the pipe needs more room. This might not fit now. There we go. Good. Ha-ha! Come on, baby. Got it. Oh, by the skin of your teeth. Okay. Yes, get that loosened up. Okay, so. Okay. That's good. That's all I want to do right now. Just believe it or not, that takes it all out of me. I'm not a car guy. And to do the repair, I've got to drain the whole system, the radiator system, and get into stuff. So that's good. I got that nut. This is what it took. And my leverage bar and coming in through here. Okay? That might help somebody. Never ripped a nail. Okay. And it's 12 millimeter. Let's see what the rest of these are. Yep, that's 12 millimeter. That's what that other one is. I think those are 10s. 10. Let's see if those are 10s. Whoa, don't lose that. Yep, 10s. Okay, so the two down there are 10s. This is a 12, and the one around the corner is a 12. And you get in through here. Okay, and it's below this point, straight down there, and it's a strap holding the other pipe. Okay, so that'll do it for the moment. Happy day to you. Whew. Ah, PB Blaster. That's what I was looking for. That's the stuff that'll loosen welded on nuts. It's incredible stuff. That's what the pros use. And it's in my other car that I started repairing about 1.5 years ago. So just to clear up that mystery, PB Blaster. Happy day to you.